JobVision was designed with specific custom manufacturing companies in mind. The challenges faced by these companies when it comes to quoting for each unique solution are large. So JobVision addresses this. So from the main screen, we click Metadata Search, which launches us into our search screen. This is a specific search into our database of previous jobs that we've done and comparing those previous jobs to actual costs. There's a number of filters. There's the job type. You can have more than one job type as a user. In this situation, we've picked mold. There's the company filter. We can filter specifically by the company that we're currently quoting, or we can grab all jobs done to all companies that are similar. We can also specifically pick a date range. And then the key part is picking all the metadata upon which we're quoting the current job. Currently, you can see the metadata that's been listed, which is defined by the user, is specifically to the job type, which is the mold. So right now, a number of drops and different items that are specific to that mold. When we're done, we get the results, and for auto group, that job, there's been one match that's 64.29%, and the actual margin we made on that job was 88%. We pick a request that we've picked it that it's for in the RFQ world, and we can now generate the calculation sheet. All the data from that actual job has now come forward into the calculation sheet. This becomes a starting point. We can start changing the numbers now for any other changes, since the match is only 64.29%. If the match was closer, obviously there'd be less to change, or further away, more to change. JobVision can be done as standalone, where you just start from scratch, or you can do it this way. The entire calculation sheet has been populated from this job from the actual cost database. JobVision understands that quoting isn't exact and there's always going to be changes necessary. So this is the part we're doing right now. Create the summary, put in the wage rate and the markup, and now, using a previous quote that was the closest match, you end up with a quick quote that you know is pretty valid, since the costing is what it took us in the past. Once we're done, we put the price that we want to, and once that's complete, it will automatically populate the quote for that value, which is ready to send to the customer.